Thank you for volunteering to phone bank for Bob Barr and the Libertarian Party. This video will give you all the tools that you need to show you how to use the Liberty Manager software. After you've already registered, the first thing that you'll want to do is to validate your email address. Click on this link on the left to go to the page. Grab the registration code that you received in your email, copy it, and bring it over to the Liberty Manager website to be inserted into the field and validated. Clicking on the Admin button will take you to the Liberty Manager page where you can register to volunteer for a specific time or date. See on the right side of the page, you can click to volunteer for any of these time and dates. Click on one to register to volunteer. You can choose how long you want to volunteer in increments of 1 to 3 hours. Once you've registered to volunteer, you'll see a confirmation on the right for how many hours that you've registered for. If you'd like to change those to a different time or date or delete it altogether, you can. Now we're ready to test the call center. I'm clicking to register for a certain specified amount of time. And now I'll go up to the top and click on the button second from the left that says Call Center. Here we see two different campaigns. For this one, we'll be using the training/demonstration campaign. If you need help about calling etiquette or just some few tips for telemarketers, feel free to click on the links on the right to get more information. Click on the green Start Calling button to go through the demo. This is the main screen that you'll see when you're making your phone calls. On the top, you'll see the person's name that you're calling. To the right, their address. Underneath, the phone number that you'll be dialing, as well as their party registration. In the middle of this page, you'll see the script that you'll be using for the campaign. Please do not deviate from this script. Read it carefully and slowly when the person answers the phone. Make sure to speak clearly and politely. If you get a response from the person, click one of these three boxes for the appropriate response. If there's any notes or anything that you think that we should know, please come down to the Administrative Notes section, click that you talked to the person, and fill in your note. When you're finished, you'll see on the right side of the page a whole list of buttons that you can choose from to record the outcome of the call. From the top to the right, we have Busy, No Answer, Wrong Number, Number Not in Service, Person Hung Up, Talk to a Voter, Left Message, or Finish Calling. Click on the appropriate button when you have finished with each call. Once you've done this, it will automatically scroll over to the next name and number for you to call. When you have completed your calling session, click on Finish Calling to go back to the main call center.